Chaos, introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Wahid. I come from Al Hidayah Modern Islamic Boarding School. I come here. I will tell you about one story. Do you know my story? I will tell you. The story is the King of Guardian, or we can say Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani and his son. We're watching. But before I go into the story, I will introduce the character in the story. First, there is Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani. We can say the King of Guardian. Second, there is Satan. And third, there is Satan descends the light. I understand? Okay? Assistant now. Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani earned the title the King of Guardian with an consolation in humility. It was not easy to launch this title. It was not easy to fight the title from the invasion of the Shah. Because the higher first-person position before Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Before we prepare, we must be able to interfere test of His blood. Satan continues to bring humor to this world. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala until the day of the judgment into the fire, including Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani. In one story, when Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani was alone, he was shocked. Sheikh Abdul Qadir was shocked by the ripple of light filling sky. Then the shadow became foggy. Oh, Abdul Qadir, I'm your God. I'm your God, oh Abdul Qadir. I'm your God, oh Abdul Qadir. You are no longer Abdul Qadir. You are no longer. I would like to know for you what I had forbidden before, and now I will fulfill for you. Say the shadow. Akashwa! Get out of my sight now! Get out of my sight now! Otherwise, I will destroy you! Otherwise, I will destroy you! I swear to Abdul Qadir Al Jilani that for Satan was his lover, he plans to be God, so that Abdul Qadir Al Jilani plays before his mountain. However, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala will not allow his love to fall into the wrong way. Satan was given freedom by Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala to tempt humans in this world as manifestation of justice to all his creatures. Shortly after the dialogue, the light suddenly went out, and little by little despair from Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani. He continued to be alone and enjoying the beauty of the atmosphere. Again, follow Sheikh Abdul Qadir Al Jilani from the mist and said, "You serve my temptation, Sheikh Abdul Qadir. You serve my temptation, oh Abdul Qadir, for two reasons. First, because of your knowledge. First, because of your knowledge. You just integrate in your soul. You are able to mirror in the greatness of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. After all, we should distinguish between what is up and what is false. Not long that the shadow distinguishes what is up and what is false. Secondly, because of your spiritual foundation in your worship. Secondly, because it was required in your worship. Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala opened your heart and when it was right, so Abdul Qadir said, what I have now, everything belongs only to the creature. I survive thanks to my God. I survive thanks to my God. Explain that Abdul Qadir Al Jilani. So, the second side. You need to know Abdul Qadir. You need to know Abdul Qadir. And this is only worshippers in this way. And only you are saved. And only only you are said Sheikh Abdul Qadir. How do you know I'm Satan? How do you know I'm Satan? Ask the means. Because of the grace of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I was given great fighting. Because what I made before, now I made love for you in the time. I was sure you are Satan. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala really wants to apply Sharia to the Prophet, and that is so impossible. That's where I have to go there. Hello, my friends. Do you want to know more about Islamic story? Let us go to this library, Sayyidat Adinda. Let us go visit this library, Sayyidat Adinda. Because here the place is beautiful and the books are many. From the books of the story of Islamic, history, children, and etc. Okay? Maybe that's it for me. And last, wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi